Look at the screen. On the left, a silver box of plastic and wires that burns bread. On the right, cotton. And just so we are clear, we are not talking about the fabric. Cotton, or cat for short, is a cat. If you ask biology, she is a miracle, a breathing, dreaming web of consciousness. She stores memories. She feels fear, joy, and the cold floor beneath her paws. A toaster doesn't dream. It doesn't remember the hands that unplugged it. It has no heartbeat to raise when a loud noise shatters the silence. But if you ask the law, it puts a blindfold on biology. To the legal system, that capacity to suffer simply doesn't exist. Welcome to the greatest illusion of human arrogance. Since the Roman Empire, our legal system has trapped the universe in a binary code. You are either a person with rights or property with a price tag. There's no middle ground because Kat doesn't pay taxes. Society threw her into the property box. The terrifying reality of this box is simple. If you break my toaster, you owe me the cost of plastic. If someone hurts Kat, the law doesn't see a stopped art, it only sees a torn receipt. This illusion shattered in 2001. The Wisconsin Supreme Court, a landmark case known as Rabideau versus the city of Racine. They declared a companion dog is not a fungible item. A companion dog is not a living room sofa. The court gave us philosophy, but they held on to property law because right after that poetic sentence, they denied emotional distress damages to the family. They said, "You're right, a dog is not a sofa," but they still cut the receipt for a piece of property. They were talking about a dog, but the echo of that gable reached every companion animal. A living room sofa doesn't wait for you by the door. We built massive legal frameworks to conquer reality. Yet, a tiny creature that sleeps 16 hours a day is enough to break it. So I leave you with this. For 2000 years, we have desperately kept them locked into the property box. But is it because they truly belong there? Or is it because if we finally admit they are like us, we would have to face the terrifying mirror of how we have treated them? What are we really protecting? Our law or our conscience?